So guys, I actually just made it to Addis Ababa right now, and I'm actually waiting for someone to come pick me up. And my phone actually went off, and it's like 7 p.m. and I came here, and this guy, my friend here, just gave me coffee, and I'm actually charging my phone here. So you can actually see how people are very generous. Some people, of course, are very generous, you know, here in Ethiopia. So let me just send something here. So I got here like few minutes ago and my phone was off, so I had to charge it. So I came here, and this good guy here actually bought me coffee, Buna, and yeah, and I'm actually charging my phone while waiting for my friend. Then yeah, this is just showing you we're actually going for a hotel hunt here in Addis Ababa. So hopefully we'll actually find a place we're going to sleep. I'll be here for like 2 nights. So if this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe, of course, and comment. So this is Ethiopia at night, going for hotel hunt at night. Yeah. Iza. Niko fiti sana. Manze.
Chunga manini.
Fiti. So guys, finally I met him. I don't know if you can see him. It's very dark, but but finally I'm actually in Addis, and we are going to. He's taking me to one of the best hostels around in Ethiopia. What's your name? Isaiah. Apparently, I actually just met this guy a few days ago on Instagram. He was like, "Yo, are you planning to meet some of your fans?" I'm like, "Yo, if you have time, you can just meet up. Me, I have no problem, because I actually have only 2 nights here. Then I'll be leaving, going somewhere else. So Ethiopia is vibe. I just can't. Addis Ababa is vibe. I just can't wait to dig into it and see what's up. Yeah. So let's go and see how the place looks like.
Pretty much, there's so many interesting things up. Advantages, disadvantages are always there.
Yeah, they're always there. Yeah. If you can survive in Nairobi, you can survive here.
Definitely can survive here. But pretty much this is safe, you know?
Yeah, it's safe.
But it's a light train system.
Yeah.
How's Awasa?
Good, very good, very good. We finally got to the hostel. Yeah. Wow, it's a very cool place.
Yeah. So it's called Marvavit.
Marvavit.
Yeah, hostel. This is where it's very popular actually. Everyone comes here. This is the bar is here.
Oh, they also have a bar.
The hangout section is here.
Ah, cool.
These are the main common washrooms. The rooms are upstairs.
Oh.
They have a common kitchen also upstairs.
Hey.
Hey, brought for your guest.
Huh?
Brought for your guest from Kenya.
Oh,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are
Cool,
you
cool.
doing?
Vincent?
This is
Visa.
Vincent. He's also a YouTuber.
I'm YouTuber. So I want 2 nights. First 2 nights, then I'll see if I'll actually extend.
Oh.
Oh, what?
In the rooms it doesn't work.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought maybe you need to reboot the extender or something. Oh, yeah.
He's never around.
No, yeah, but sleeping.
Oh, he's sleeping, huh? Say hi to him.
Oh. There's a common
This is the common kitchen.
Oh, cool.
You can cook and then eat.
Also, they also have the kitchen.
Yeah, the fridge.
Yeah.
Beautiful. This go. Yup.
So yeah, this is the trifecta. So you've got the restaurant.
Yeah, but she's waiting for you. Come on.
I know. No.
With only 3 months, you're well known here.
This is actually my room.
Oh, this one. Okay. So how much is this one?
No, we're gonna give you for $8.
$8 this
Yeah.
one. Awesome.
No, the dorm price is $8.
Uh-huh.
So if we have more bookings tomorrow, we may move it to that dorm.
Okay, no problem.
get what I mean?
Yeah. That's
So
good.
because if we don't have, it's right. Because now it's late,
Yeah.
so we're not gonna have someone coming for a single room. So
Yeah, absolutely.
that's the idea.
Cool. I'll check this.
That's the washroom. Here, I think.
The balcony.
No, I think this is.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Hmm?
The balcony.
Yeah, I don't know what you're gonna see here, but
Wow. This is good. Good, good.
Nay.
76.
Yeah, this is good. Should I just leave my bag and go pay down?
Yeah.
We start here.
Just take the key with you.
There's the name of the room.
So you see, it's a popular.
Yeah, it's a very popular place, you know. So guys, that's how much if you're not come if you actually if the dorm is actually $8. So it's the other fact that that single room isn't booked. So I'll be staying there tonight. Then tomorrow if someone doesn't come, yeah, or if someone comes, I will move to a dorm. So yeah. So let me pay that, I'll get back to you guys.